Hey y'all, it's me Marty. I decided to do a quick little video here showing you a little fire got going on here. I'm down in my little bushcraft area here. I got my army cot there with some wood under there. I got some different logs sitting around in here, and that's an old topper. It's kind of a thing I built over the little area here. I also got a tree house up there that I built. Kind of my little bushcraft area, little base camp down in the corner of our property. We have a little 2-acre hobby farm in west central Minnesota. I kind of set up a little area down here just to have a little fire, do little camp outs down here, day camps. I've done a couple overnighters. I was going to do one this week. I should have got one in early in the week because now it's almost too cold, but I've been waiting all year for summer to be over. I hate the heat and the humidity and bugs, and waiting for it to get cool and nice. And but fall didn't last long. Now it's almost winter. It's still nice. It's about 20 degrees today. No wind today. Yesterday was windy. Today's low wind. So my wife wanted to have a little fire, so I got a little fire going on down here. She's coming down a little bit, but yeah, just hang out. Hoping to get more campfires and hikes in and do some outdoor activities before it gets too cold. It's really going to get cold this end of this week through Thanksgiving. But yeah, I do a little campfire this evening here, or this afternoon. It is Tuesday afternoon, Thanksgiving week, and yeah, nice little fire going here with a bunch of birch and oak in here, and a little bit of scrap wood, but most of it's logs. But yeah, enjoying my home time with my wife and doing things together, and working on a lot of chores too, and doing some woodworking. And but yeah, I love being home. But kind of a quiet Thanksgiving this year. Still kind of up in there. But yeah, we have a lot to be thankful for, that's for sure. Lots of ups and downs in our lives. We all have those. But lots of trials, but lots of blessings too. We are so very blessed. Anyway, just a quick little video here just to show you a little campfire got going here. Hope you're all doing well and having a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend. Hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll be doing some more woodworking videos this week. I got some other ideas, and let's do some different things. So I'd share the fire with y'all a little bit here. Hope y'all doing well. I love a campfire, especially when it's cool out.